to all my friends in YouTube land and all my supporters. This is Winston cooking and discovering TV on the YouTube platform. Today I will be coming to you with a new recipe creation here today. Yes, I did a trailer just showing you the whole patties that were done in the oven, but I never showed you the process. So now today I will be undertaking the process from start to finish on the Winston cooking and discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So this is fresh chicken breast that I will be cutting up as small as possible as I can. They're going to be cooked down into a stew. Yes, and they will be going on the inside of the dough that I will be needing and making to make the patties. Also, we're making homemade Jamaican style chicken patties today. And here are all the ingredients that I'll be incorporating into, yes, chicken patties. I have my fresh thyme, yes, fresh thymes. And pickles, and I have Chayote, known as Cho-Chow in Jamaica. I have onion, and I have garlic and hot pepper. Yes, to spice it up to give it a nice, wonderful flavor. And that is the flour I'll be working with, Nolan basket flour. Yes, and the butter will be to knead into the flour. Yes, and a little bit of baking powder to give the flour dough some texture, so the dough is not hard once it comes out of the oven. And here I have black pepper, I have garlic powder, I have fresh garlic, and onion powder, and of course curry, and olive oil. Yes, olive oil. So olive oil will be part of the kneading of the flour along with the butter. All of this will give texture to make the flour dough soft and not hard towards the end once everything comes out of the oven. And those 3 packets there, those are chicken seasoning that will be going inside of the seasoning as well in order to make it very, very tasty. And all the seasoning I just showed you, I will be blending. All this seasoning will be going inside of the blender to blend it up. Yes, and will cook down inside of the chicken. Yes, and once everything is finished, they will go inside of the beef patty. You're watching Winston cooking and discovery TV on the YouTube platform. The chayote or the Cho-Chow, I'll be boiling it to make it soft and tender. And then the rest of the seasoning here, yes, I will blend them. Those are the ingredients. I will blend them into the blender to make it easier to cook down. Flour dough for the outside shell of the chicken patties that I will be making today. So I'll be taking you through a journey through an entire process of making homemade Jamaican style chicken patty here today. Alright, I have the chayote or the Cho-Chow cooking. Yes, these are going into the chicken patties, yes. And make sure they're very tender. Then we're going to blend them out or just squash them out. Yes. And then into the chicken. And then they will go inside the flour. Right here, I'm going to melt down some butter. This will be going inside of the flour, inside of the flour dough, to make it very malleable. Yes. So that when the flour dough comes out, it's not hard and tough. And also, some baking powder will also go inside of the flour to make the dough very tender. Yes, very tender, very soft. So you can enjoy it. You're watching Winston cooking And Discovery TV on YouTube. Okay, my friends, I'm going to get the flour dough ready. Yes. Lots of flour. Enough. This is the chicken. This is the chicken I've been working with. Yes, I've been working with that chicken. So this flour will be more than enough. Extra. Try to use a little bit in the container just in case the flour is too soft. You can fill it back up. Alright, so next I'm going to add some salt. Chicken spice seasoning. Yes, chicken seasoning. Into the flour mixture. Because I want everything to taste real nice. Real nice. So, some of the chicken seasoning, spice will be going inside of the chicken. And I want the dough to be just as tasty as the chicken. Yes. Now, so I'm going to put curry powder. Yes. 2 taps of curry powder because I ran out of the other way. So yes, curry powder. Alright, so mix this in. Then I'm going to add the butter. Salt in here, sea salt. I have chicken seasoning in here, and now I have curry. So the next thing, I am going to put some butter and mix it out in it, and then yes, then start eating. You're watching the Winston Show, cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube. Alright, my friends. So this is my first go. Yes. First go. Professional try. First go. Alright? First go. So this is butter. Like after putting the butter, yes, after the butter goes in, this is what it looks like. Butter, the curry, the salt, the baking powder, chicken seasoning, that's what it looks like. So now I'm going to add water, alright? And then start kneading it. Put as much water. Alright. So I'm going to start kneading the Okay, my friends, this is what the dough looks like. There's curry in here. There's baking powder. There's salt. There's butter. And there's chicken seasoning in it for flavor. Yes. Alright. So, I'm going to let it sit for a while until I cut up the chicken and get the chicken ready for the stove. Cooking. It's a long process, so I'm just showing you step by step. So you saw what I did. Alright, with the flour, and now I knead it out. I didn't want to show you that long process because kneading was a very long process. So I cut down on time on the processing of the kneading. So this is the end result of the kneading of the flour. So now I'm just going to put it back in the container and let it sit for a while I get the other things going. Alright, so I'm going to cover this for a while. Just let it sit for a while. Cut these up. These are going into the blender. Alright. Blend them up. Watching the Winston Joe cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, so this is for my homemade style chicken patty. Yes. This is the onions. Chicken. Blend it up. So this will be the most delightful, delicious chicken patty. I need to cut it up because of the garlic. Yes, now the hot pepper. Oh baby. There's this one here. Make sure I get these seeds out of here. These seeds are the most, yes, dangerous. This pepper is very hot. Winston Joe, cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube. Alright my friends, so in part 1, phase 1 of this cooking journey in my cooking lab, homemade style chicken small as I possibly can. Yes. And then, yes, all of this will be cooked down. Yes, this will be going on the inside of the flour dough to make the chicken patties. Yeah, so this is chicken breast. So we're in part one, phase one of this cooking journey. So this might wind up being about 3 parts. So just watch the process and see what I do, and you can make that attempt home. Yes, in your kitchen, and do this for your family. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, this is the end of shredding of the meat. Chicken meat, yes. Decide not to blend it, I'm just going to shred it up as thin and as small as possible. Yes. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. You're in my cooking lab. Yes. The skin, the flavors and the skin, not actually the meat. Yes, the flavor of the chicken, the taste of the chicken is actually the skin. Here. Yes, over here. Yes. So this homemade style chicken patty is being made for Miss LOURICE-JUSAY and BELTRAN in the Philippines. Alright. Alright, my friends. Alright. There's the meat. There's the chicken meat. Yes, that's all of it. That's all of it. All of it. That's all of it. So now I'm going to blend the seasoning and work it into it. Yes, I'm going to get it on the stove. Alright, you're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, my friends, I'm going to put all the seasoning inside here. And I'm going to blend it. Alright, so I'm going to put some olive oil inside of here. Yes, I'll put some olive oil. I want to see how it blends. Goes. Alright, my friend, that is the seasoning being liquefied. Yes, it will be going in the chicken. Yes, that will be going inside of the chicken patties. Yes, and you see this by the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. These chicken patties are being made for Miss LOURICE-JUSAY and Miss BELTRAN in the Philippines. Alright, that is all the onions, bell pepper, blender. So let's see what the blender says. Alright, chayote is done. Alright, so now I'm going to go to the stove and get the chicken going. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. This is part one. Yes, that's the chayote blended out. So it'll be cooked down inside of the chicken. I'm going to cook all of these first and put the chicken in. Yes. pressing out the flour. So this is the bell peppers, onions, scallion, thyme, garlic. Yes, all that. Alright, you're watching Winston Cooking TV. This is part 1 of this cooking journey, and this is the chicken right here. Alright, so this is part 1 of the cooking journey on Winston Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. I'm going to use some olive oil as well as butter to cook the chicken. I'm making chicken patties, yes. Chicken patties for the first time. Second time, but this time is more to the extreme. Yes, because this is going international. So this is for Miss LOURICE-JUSAY and Miss BELTRAN in the Philippines. So that's on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube. Add some curry in the oil. Curry in the chicken. Now I'm going to add some chicken seasoning. Add some chicken seasoning. Even though I have fresh garlic already ground up, put a little bit in it. Some onions, flour, and black pepper. Then I'm going to mix it up and get it on the stove. Alright, my friends, that's the chicken. Alright. There's the chicken and butter and olive oil. You're watching Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Chicken. This is chicken getting cooked. This is the chicken getting cooked. Watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Yes, I'm making chicken patties, home style, Jamaican style. Yes, for my friends in the Philippines, yes, LOURICE-JUSAY and Miss BELTRAN in the Philippines. Puree, seasoned puree inside here. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. First, seasoned puree. That's part of it. That's onion, scallion, up in a blender. Scallion, thyme, garlic, fresh garlic, yes, with olive oil and hot pepper and thyme. Yes, and I'm going to add the chayote. You're watching the Winston channel. On the YouTube platform. Yes, so I turn it. I cooked it, then I turn it into a puree. Alright. Curry in here. Make sure the flavor is rich and just right. Alright, so it's chayote puree, onion, scallion, garlic, bell peppers, thyme, yes, and olive oil puree. Inside of it. Right. The hardest part is left. Dealing with the dough. Yes, dealing with the flour dough. That's the hardest part left. It has to be molded out, pressed out. Yes. So let this cook. Alright, so this is meat, chicken breast meat for chicken patties, homemade chicken patties. And you'll see this on the Winston channel, Scarlet TV. So this is for LOURICE-JUSAY, and so that's BELTRAN in the Philippines. I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. This is basically cooked, it's ready. So now I'm going to start getting the dough ready. Not too much. And also had some jerk seasoning spice into it as well. This is ready. Tastes just right. It tastes fantastic. Flavors. It's wonderful. You're watching let's put some water around the edges. That's because I'm such a haste. Didn't do that. Alright. Didn't do that, my friends. Yes, let's put some water around the edges to make sure it is properly sealed. Alright, but I don't think I'll make it. First one. Alright, so let me get this baby off. Get it onto its seat. Yes. Alright, so that's the first one, my friends. You're watching the Winston show. Okay, and let's go to TV on the YouTube platform. I am in my cooking lab. I'm making chicken patty here today. For Miss LOURICE-JUSAY, my friend, and BELTRAN, two friends in the Philippines. Yes, I said I was going to make for LOURICE, and BELTRAN said, what about me? So I had to quickly include her. Yes, quickly include her. Water. Yes, to make the seal. You're watching the Winston show. Okay, let's go to TV. My friends. process. The process is very longer, tedious, a lot of work, my friends.